A few weeks back, we transplanted this parsley plant. As you can see, it's suffering from transplant shock. Don't be alarmed, it is still growing nicely, but we do have some parts of the parsley here that we need to prune out. So what I would do is I'll just come down here and I'll actually prune it or pinch it out. And I'm just using my thumbnail to pinch them out. It's pretty easy to do that. Just trying to get as much of it as I possibly can, cleaning it up a little bit. Yeah, anytime you have dead plant material, it's always a good idea to go ahead and pinch it out if you can. The plant is doing fine. It'll be good. Make sure you keep it watered, right? Once you do that, you gather the plant residue and you can put this in your compost pile.